Hi there, I'm in from operation this morning at 7:30. Was taken about an hour or so later. Really impressed with the staff, unbelievable. And even walking into the place is just like a top-end, top-class hotel. So you had that kind of nice feeling about it. Amazing. Staff were excellent, absolutely excellent. Everybody came in to see me, and the anaesthetist, the surgeon, everyone was amazing. And I'm not just saying this because I'm in front of a camera. I really, really mean this. From the bottom of my heart, this has been an amazing journey for me. So when I was all prepped and ready, took me into the theatre, and there was a team of very professional people that went through everything step by step and explained everything step by step, which was amazing. Made you feel so comfortable and welcome, and you were the star as far as they're concerned, which you feel a wee bit special. Everything went extremely well, the operation went well, and when I was brought out of the operation, and I felt amazing. I mean, I couldn't explain to you. I was numb, from the lower half, so there's no pain whatsoever, none. I didn't even feel drowsy when they wakened me up type thing, and they brought me in and I felt great. So I've probably been out from the operation about an hour, as I said earlier, and the physiotherapist came in and they said that I want you to get up onto your feet, which they've done tremendously well. And so I've actually had a wee walk about, which I can't believe after having a new hip installed by Mr. Kaka, who was just honestly fantastic. Can't believe it. The people and the staff in here is totally amazing, as I've said again earlier. But they had me walking about, felt a wee bit just unsteady just because I'm still a bit numb. But I'll tell you what, if you'd have said to me I'd be up and walking about in an hour's time, that is unbelievable. I am shocked and overwhelmed by the way the staff's been, surgeon, the anaesthetist, and everyone. Can't believe, and I can't thank them enough. Now, I know I'm in front of a camera here and I can tell you all the gumph, but I tell you from the bottom of my heart, this is unbelievable. Thank you.